In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto reply in Yahoo Mail. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. At the top right of the page, click Sign In. On the Sign In screen, choose your existing account and continue. Enter your email address and password to log in securely. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt so you can proceed. Once you're signed in, look again to the top right and click Mail to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. If you land on the home page, just click Mail once more to get into your inbox. Inside Yahoo Mail, head to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. A quick settings panel will open on the right side. From there, select More Settings at the bottom to access the full settings menu. In the menu on the left, choose Out of Office Response. This is where you'll set up your automatic reply for the time you're away. Click Turn On to enable the feature. Next, set your starting date so the auto reply begins exactly when you want it to. Then set the end date so it stops automatically when you're back. Double check both dates to make sure they match your schedule. It's easy to overlook the end date, so take a moment to confirm it. Now, type your message in the auto response box. Keep it clear and friendly. A simple structure works well. Briefly say you're away, include the dates you'll be unavailable, and, if appropriate, provide an alternate contact or let people know when they can expect a reply. Keep it professional and concise, and avoid sharing any sensitive information. If you work with clients or colleagues in different time zones, mentioning the time zone of your return date can help avoid confusion. Before you finish, review your message for spelling and tone, and make sure it reflects the right audience. If your account handles both personal and professional emails, a neutral, courteous message is usually best. When everything looks good, click Save. Your out-of-office auto-reply is now active and will respond to incoming messages during the dates you selected. If your plans change, you can return to the same out-of-office response page at any time to adjust the dates, update the message, or turn it off early. That's all there is to it. You've successfully set up an auto-reply in Yahoo Mail, ensuring anyone who emails you while you're away gets a helpful, timely response. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to set it up again.